Mamelodi Sundowns is not fair on players. The reason I say this is because Mamelodi Sundowns will sign a player sometimes, number one, and I want to break it down properly for Nina Lenda Balende. Ngifuna ukuyiqala from la Lenda Bale mina ngibona ngathi suka khona. I-Sundowns iyakwazi ukuthi sayine i-player, mabaqeda ukusayina lelo player lelo, balithathe lelo player lelo bangadlalisi, not give that player game time, balithathe lelo player balone lodlala kwamanye ama-team. By the time player libuya, because maybe this was a big player ukuthi Chiefs or Pirates had shown interest in. Now that the Chiefs and the Pirates bayabona ukuthi okay, push up the player lilizo releasiwa bafuna ukuza. Mamelodi Sundowns have this clause abayifakayo kuma contract. Well, not all players bayayisayina le clause. Kuna le clause le abayifakayo kuma player ukuthi when you leave the team you are not allowed to sign for ama rivals wethu. Now some players, because you're excited, uboni mali, you thinking things are going to look good for you kuma Mamelodi Sundowns, or you sign only for things to go south for, and now they had to get a contract say pelile babona ngathi they don't need you anymore. Now you can't go join a Chiefs or a Pirates. That time you're a big player, you end up finding yourself having to look for greener pastures elsewhere. That's why abanye ubona umuntu ashi Sundowns akafuna ukudlala eMorocco, omunye ufuna ukudlala eEgypt, omunye ufuna ukuyodlala eLibya nezintonyana ezifana nalezo. It doesn't make sense that a player like Thapelo Maseko sikhuluma about a player bafethu ubuya ku World Cup, scored an important goal for iBafana Bafana, udlale phambi komhlaba wonke jikelele, namhlanje uhleli, he's clubless. So by the way, in case you didn't know, Thapelo Maseko will not join Chiefs, Thapelo Maseko will not join Orlando Pirates because of the clause ego contract lebe guy sign in the Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi he can't sign for their rivals. What this simply means is that Thapelo Maseko is currently sitting clubless. He's going to have to look for a club somewhere America or maybe go Europe. If that doesn't happen for him, he might find himself playing in the national second division again. Another player that signed for Mamelodi Sundowns looking for greener pastures, hoping things were going to work out for him. Marapeka namhlanje ukuthi bamlaxaza kanjani. It's not fair bafethu. Mina for me, I think the PSL needs to intervene makunezinto eziso ukuthi no, players are not allowed to sign ama contract angabavumeli ukuthi makuphela contract bangajoin ama rivals wabo. Why is it that one team can have leyo close leyo? Ayikho right lento leyo. Mamelodi Sundowns is not fair on these guys just because baba signa ngemali eningi, baba kholisa imali eningi. It doesn't mean ukuthi they need to dictate ukuthi labantu bayaphi ngama careers wabo after they leave Mamelodi Sundowns. Peter Shalulile. The reason Peter Shalulile couldn't join a Chiefs Pirates is because of the very same clause. Uneo Mayema bafethu hleli lapha naye khona manje ujima I1. Akana team ajima nayo le team lebeka bebamlone kuye Mamelodi Sundowns Africa wants to sign him. Mamelodi Sundowns wants millions. Now if Leo team, the question is if Leo team le ithi sharp Tina siyabonga, we don't want to pay le mali le Mamelodi Sundowns eyifunayo. That means Uneo Mayema is going to have to go look for greener pastures elsewhere because he can't join the Chiefs and he can't join an Orlando Pirates. Terence Mashiko is another example. Ikaizer Chiefs bemfuni Terence Mashiko sharp. Sundowns iqale amthatha yamlona to Durban City the previous season, and then the season esibuya kuye bebamlonile bamthathe bamlonela lapha na ku Stellenbosch FC. Naye makangahamba, he can't go join Chiefs or Orlando Pirates. Is that fair? Is that fair? And ngishilo last time ngathi Mamelodi Sundowns sometimes they sign players just because the Chiefs and the Pirates ishow interest kulawo ma player babone kahle ukuthi ayithi sibasayine iqala and not even use them. There's a long list of players that went and joined the Mamelodi Sundowns hoping ukuthi izinto zabo zizolunga, izinto zabo zizoqonda, zizohlangana. Akuphi namhlanje lawo ma player lawo bafethu uJeremy Brockie waphelela kuphi? Goal scoring machine lapha ku SuperSport United went to Mamelodi Sundowns uphi namhlanje. The very same year Neo Mayema, he was a very good player ku Bloemfontein Celtics, if I'm not mistaken. Sundowns amthatha ku Celtics, fika ku Mamelodi Sundowns. By the time ikufika Miguel Cardoso istructure sashintsha uphi namhlanje leyo mjita leyo. What happened to Thembi Nkosi? If it wasn't for coach Rulani calling Thembi Nkosi lapha neWydad, would be telling a different story bafethu singazi nokuthi uThembi Nkosi kuphelele kuphi naye. Now they doing the exact same thing to uMunapule Saleng, bayamsayina simboni ukuthi kwenzakalani nokuthi kuphi uMunapule Saleng wakhona. Kunalo mjita lo Oprim Goma bamsayina waya lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns asimazi ukuthi waphelela kuphi. He just disappeared in our eyes. Now these youngsters abafundi ukuthi mawuya ku Mamelodi Sundowns kahle kahle, it's a career ending move. It could potentially end your career or it could affect the rest of your career because labantu laba they have different intentions ngama player. Upufaz Pasadine namhlanje lo mfana lona uThato Sibiya, a promising prospect, bekazibonakalisa shayina. There were teams overseas abewamfuna ukuphi upakiwe lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns, uhleli lapha eTlorkop not getting game time. Why do you need to sign players that you know very well ukuthi angeke uze uwadlale? Why are you signing players just to disturb a Chiefs, just to disturb an Orlando Pirates? Sign players because you have intentions to play the players. If you bona ngathi wena usalidinga iplayer, ningabafaki kulama clause ukuthi they can't sign for your rivals, let them go shine. There are certain players who are meant to play for big teams. Kuna amaplayer bafethu kumele ukuthi adlalela ama big team. Imagine it wouldn't have made sense for Peter Shalulile ukuthi ashiye Sundowns and then nizoba to Kichima go Milford. He's a big player, all-time goal scorer ku PSL. If he leaves Sundowns, either Chiefs or Pirates. But now neither Chiefs or Pirates can sign him because in Mamelodi Sundowns they went and made sure good once Tina we are done with you. Hambu yofuna hambu yodlala Africa or hambu yodlala elsewhere. It honestly doesn't make sense. I really feel bad for Thapelo Masego. We are talking about a guy who shined kahle ku World Cup. Yes, he had a few mistakes. If it's ngakhuluma ngama tactics wakhe nendlela kadlale ngayo lapha ku World Cup, but he's a very good player. uThapelo Masego sharp iSundowns ayisamfuni kushuthi loni yakhe iphelile lapha abeka ikona eCyprus. Why not let him join Chiefs? Why not let him join Pirates? Let him play for another big team. He's a big player. Lo muntu suka ku World Cup, scored a goal that helped Bafana qualify for the knockout stages of the World Cup for the first time in the history of South African football. Surely he's an important player. So for me, guys, it's not fair lento lena iSundowns. I'm not being negative. I said it, mina mangikhuluma bafethu ngikhuluma the conversations that are important. Ama conversation abalulekile. I'm not going to sit here and talk about tactical variation. Bakhona abo Michael Morton nabo banibani abakhuluma lezo zinto. Mina ngikhuluma into engiyibonayo ukuthi imosha ibhola lethu. They've just signed lo mfana lo Ndlovu. We don't even know if uzodlala. Now we could be having another conversation ngaye 3-4 years from now. Uhleli akana team akakwazi ukuyosignela a big team because so sharp, chase the money, let them pay you well. My advice to players would be take that money, put it to good use, because you don't know what the future holds. Mahamba uya ku Mamelodi Sundowns. Now of course, Chiefs and Pirates are also guilty of signing players bangawasebenzisi sinini mhlambi player bese sekuphela kabuhlungu neclub, but ku Mamelodi Sundowns yenzeka all the time. All the time. Banokusayina ama play ubona ukuthi le player lela balidingi, balithatha iplayer balibhanke ebenchini, bamosha icareer yakhe, mase kumele lo muntu lo yosayinela enye team sekunama clause amtshela ukuthi wena you can't sign for other teams. You can't sign for our biggest rivals. Hamba uyodlala kuphi kuphi amagwala. Ayikho right lento lena bafethu. Ayikho right lento le. Can I just correct you? It's JR. Angzondi team mina South Africa. I'm a South African. I want the best for our football and I want the best for our players. I'm really just disappointed to see what's happening no Thapelo Masego. Cabanga play off that magnitude albanga ne preseason. If when I guess Sundowns you know Guti you are done with him, let him join the club of his choice. Now sekumela agent ihambe yomarket CV yakhe pesheya. Let's really hope Thapelo Masego does find a team ahamba yodlala overseas. uTerence Mashiko yena, why is it difficult ukuthi ahamba ejoin Chiefs? Mela local loan, season in season out ya loan. Nini nugustelis, nini nula. Sundowns has no intention of playing him. Banama left back I6. Masimbala na ilomfana lo. Clearly they don't need him. Release the player. Mtetelena hamba yoshayina elsewhere bafethu. Angithi you have your favorite players ekuyibaba nwinele CAF Champions League. So then leave the other players guthi nabo bayoshayina kwamanye ama team. Word of advice to young stars, word of advice to young players. It's good to chase money, but also remember, if you are in your early 20s, you still have like 8 or 10 years left ku career yakho. Go where you know ukuthi uzothola khona game time and go where you know ukuthi you will be appreciated. Bafethu yuzoyenza imali. Hamba kuye ku Mamelodi Sundowns ne, angithi ugijimisa imali ufika lapho uhlaliswa ibench bangakusebenzisa ungayenzi next. It's not fair. It's not fair bafethu. So now, yes, Mkhulisi una 30 years manje bafethu. Umkhulisi labafana laba khona these young stars konje abolitlapa baphi labafana laba. If you don't have plans for these young players, bateteleni, let them go shine elsewhere. Orlando Pirates also wants to compete for bigger cups and bigger competitions. Kaizer Chiefs wants to compete for bigger cups and bigger competitions. Let them sign these players if nina as Sundowns inbona ngathi anisena intentions zabo. Now the biggest issue here is this money. Lento le abantu kuloke bathi ya imali. Imali, in, what. Bafethu, money comes and goes. Kuyafana, most players they chase money bahambe bayodlalela Sundowns after 2 years uzabathi umuntu akasana mali. After a career yakhe uzabathi umuntu broke. So for me and I was the one person who showed Lentole, and I still maintain Ndlovu made a wrong decision by going to Mamelodi Sundowns. Wrong decision. If bekabona ngathi the offer yaku Pirates akayithandi, could have at least asked agent yakhe ukuthi asisameni ukukokotela Chiefs sibone ukuthi bona won't they make an offer, and in case the Chiefs would have made an offer, because now sibonile ukuthi they are willing to spend money on players. It's just ama team ako PSL that make it difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to sign players, but they are willing to spend money on players. And also shout out to the players abakwazi ukuyifunda i-contract benze sure ukuthi mina I'm not going to sign this clause yokuthi when I leave the team I'm not allowed to join the rivals, because maybe next season makushubile mina ngifuna ukuzibona ngigijima endaweni ethile nethile. How many players are we going to keep quiet and watch bahamba bagijimisa imali bese ama career wabaphelele emoyeni, and all we can say is yeah no, but he went after the money? How many players? How many players are we going to sit here and say ukuthi go make money makaqeda la yenza khona imali uhlala ebenchini uphelele emoyeni asimboni into akayenzayo? It's really not fair bafethu. It's really not fair bafethu. So mina into yami bafethu engizoyisho lana ukuthi Thapelo Maseko was deserving to either go to Chiefs or Orlando Pirates. Izinto mazingahambi kahle neMamelodi Sundowns. Neo Mayema was deserving to go to either Chiefs or Orlando Pirates. Izinto mazingahambi kahle ngamamelodi Sundowns. But Mamelodi Sundowns will just make sure ukuthi that doesn't happen. They are the only team that can touch you as South Africa. They are the only big team that can touch you like South Africa. Now we know why Velenzo win a league 8 in a row. Now we know why you will win 10 leagues in a row. Not this league, we wouldn't be shocked masmani ngayithatha. Angithi nina nithatha ama player niwasign niwasignisa amaxhosa ukuthi makuphela contract ningayi nosizo makhelwane ukuthi bas challenge, then it makes sense. Then you have to win the league. Bro, like ningayi winner even for 15 years. It makes sense why sekumele nwine zonke lezi zinto lezi enizwina, because amanye ama player niyawathatha just to interrupt ama negotiations wamanye ama team. Nibona kahle ukuthi lo uzoya ku Pirates, makanga ku Pirates uzohlangana nalo laba bazoba inkinga simsayine simbeke benchini. Lo makanga ku Chiefs uzoba inkinga la nala simsayine simbeke benchini. Peter Shalulile si right ngaye. We have Cassius Malula, we have Leon, we have Ikram Reyners, we have Ulebu Mutiba, who I still don't understand why they have. And then bese bayabona ukuthi Peter Shalulile wena siyabonga hamba, but just make sure ukuthi awu ku Chiefs or Pirates. Asifuni uye kulabo esaziyo ukuthi laba bangasihlupa, laba they can compete against us, laba bayakwazi ukusibamba, playing with players ukuthi abaqinanga ngale ndlela bayakwazi ukusibamba. Rather hambe eAfrica. That's South African football for you. And then mase sikhuluma ke lezi zinto lezi basheshe ukukhuluma zona lezi zinto ukuthi uyangcola, mara bathulile babheka ama career wama player phelele emoyeni, bathulile babheka iSundowns imosha ama player. Na babo Thapelo Maseko namhlanje umjito obuyi kodlala iWorld Cup uhleli teamless. He's teamless namhlanje. All we hear uyangcola. Bafuna ukuza nje umuntu apraise. Hey what. If something is meant to be addressed, it has to be addressed. And if something has to be addressed as a spade asibizwe ispade. Mamelodi Sundowns mosha ama career wabantu. Maningi ama play Sundowns ewachithile. Maningi ama play Sundowns ewamoshile. Bona season in season out basayina abantu just to gogcwalisa ibench labo, and then Mikel Cardoso, this player is not in my plans. Aye. I think Selululeko Mahlambi is a very good player. I think Selululeko Mahlambi is a very good player, and I think kuzoba sharp if angajoina like a team efana nabo a Chiefs or Orlando Pirates, not Sundowns. He must go to a Chiefs or Orlando Pirates where he knows ukuthi uzothola game time, he can fit into the structure. Like someone like Ulangelihle Phili, babonile he will fit into the structure say Chiefs. He's a very good player, knows how to take his players on, knows how to release the ball, sharp. So he's in the mele ukuthi bayenze leyo. And khona manje lezi zinto lezi ezenzakalayo la ebholeni lase South Africa bese abantu makugulunya ukuthi team yakhe yenza into esofuna ukufaka amanye ama team ukuthi ya mara nalaba bayenze so, ya mara nalaba bayenze so. Hayi bafethu asikhulumeni iqiniso bafethu. Athi ngivula ama line. If you want to join me for this conversation, ngivula ama line. Asiqhubekeni bafethu sikhulumeni ngayo lento le. Ngivula ama line manje. There's a panel that's joining. Mina bafethu, let me know. Yes, see last ngikhulume nangayo Orlando Pirates, and I said it doesn't make sense. 48-man squad for what? Why does Orlando Pirates need to have 11 midfielders? Bebamsaphi umthetheleli Mthiyani. bebamsaphi lo mfana lo Thapelo Mokoboto or Mpokoto Rubani bebabasaphi labo bantu laba. There's already Osimpiwe Slepe who struggled with game time last season. There's Cameron Denson, there's Urasibucho, well bamreleasile but he was struggling with game time last season. Bafethu uSimphiwe Slepe, uCameron Denson, yilo mfana lo uTalente Mbatha, uMakhehleni Makhawula, uSihle Nduli. Maqeda nehamba futhi sign more and more for what? Kusana bo Masindi Nemtajela who's out on injury. Sometimes I don't understand lama team kuta function kanjani. Why do you constantly have to sign players in positions where you don't need them? You are wasting iskhathi salama player and you are wasting ama career walama player. Let these players go shine elsewhere. Now Kaizer Chiefs khona manje it seems as though they are going to loan lo mfana lo Samkelo Zwane to a team edlala laphana ku National First Division. Why? Release the guy, mreleaseni anisamdingi. AmaZulu ayamfuna kunini coach atamcela kuteza azojoina kumaZulu. Release Samkelo Zwane, let him go play laphayana kumaZulu. He's gonna get game time laphaya. You guys are something ngibona ngathi ama services wakhe sen sharp ngaye. Sharp siyabonga bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs, thank you for introducing the boy to us. Nimpile the recognition that he deserves. Mara now let him free, set him free, mteteleni ahambe ayodlala naye umntana abantu atholi game time. This thing is not right bafethu, and as much as yes ngchallenge kakhulu Sundowns because it's happening a lot lapha, but Chiefs and Pirates are just as guilty. Chiefs and Pirates are just as guilty. Banokusayina ama player bangawadingi. I still ask mina iPirates imsapho umthetheleli Mthiyani bazomsebenzisa nini kuphi umthetheleli? What is Mthetheleli Mthiyani gonna do different to what lama player lawo if I think ukwabiza gonna do? But hey man, we all have different opinions. It's football and football is a game of opinions. Omunye uzotukhuluma into so athi wena uyahlanya, omunye utukhuluma into so athi ngivumelana nawe, omunye utukhuluma into so abizo kwakhe, omunye abize lokho, omunye abize lokho. But yeah, it is what it is bafethu. Mina I still think Mamelodi Sundowns has been very unfair to players. The list is endless. Bayathatha ama player bona bamosha ama career wabo mase bangasamfuni loyo muntu bamrelease. Then that player, there are teams azobonisa interest but he can't sign for those teams. Mela hamba ayophanda elsewhere ayobona ukuthi wenza kanjani.